Hi everyone, I'm Udit from Root Bridges, and today I'm going to show you 5 easy to grow plants that anyone can grow at home. First up, we have the most popular house plant that is ideal for beginners, the money plant. In the money plant, we have 5 varieties. More popular ones are the green money plant and the golden. But the more rare ones, for those of you who have already got those, is the Enjoy, the Marble Queen, and the very rare Satin money plant. Next up is the Arrowhead vine, more commonly known as the Syngonium. Syngonium is a very easy to care for plant that can be grown on any bright window. We have 4 varieties. The Lime and Lemon, the Bronze, the Cute Pink Syngonium, and the Tri-Leaf Wonder. Next up, we have one of the top indoor air purifiers and one of the best stress busting plants, the Aglaonema. In the Aglaonema, we have a lot of varieties, but we're going to just show you 4 right now. The Lipstick, this one's pretty popular. The Pink Angemini, Pink Angemi, has a lot of names. The Pink Aglaonema. The beautiful Snow White, not to be confused with the Dieffenbachia. And the lovely Aglaonema Red Beauty, Red Sun, Red Ruby, it has a lot of names. It's a beautiful plant. Next up, we have the lovely Philodendrons. They're very similar to money plants because they grow like vines. You can hang them from a hanging basket or make them climb a moss stick. We have a lot of varieties, but we're going to show you just 4. First up is the variegated Philodendron Brazil. The velvety Mycans or the black gold. The red-edged red emerald or the red Congo. And with finger-like leaves, the Philodendron Xanadu. Next up, we have the Zamiocalcus, the ZZ, or just popularly known as the Zamia. This is the hardiest, get it once and forget it plant that you can have in your home. We have 3 varieties. This is the regular ZZ. Its dwarfed cousin, this one doesn't grow tall. It's called the ZZ Zenzi. This one is pretty popular and very rare. The ZZ Raven. It has blackish leaves and the new leaves are green. So that was our video about 5 easy to care for indoor plants that anyone can grow. Do like, share and subscribe to Root Bridges for more such plant content.